Hey everybody, welcome to another video, and today we're doing a video on a very cheap belt. And this is a non-metal buckle tactical belt. Okay, and that's what is advertised. That's how it's advertised on Amazon.com. Well, I looked for the cheapest that I could find. This one in particular was only $5.60, I believe. I will post a picture of the Amazon ad in the video. It's made in China, okay, and I don't believe the belt size is on here. It must be one of those one size fit all adjustable kind of belt. It's pretty lightweight. I would say it's about 1.25 inches wide. 1.25 inch wide. I don't know. I don't think it's 1.5 inches like it might have advertised. The belt is plastic. And according to some of the reviews that I read before I ordered this, the belt is cheap. I mean, the belt buckle is very cheaply made, but I don't feel that actually. It feels like it's a plastic buckle. And the reason I purchased this plastic buckle tactical belt was because where I work, we have to go through the metal detector several times a day. And of course, you know, when you have a belt with a metal buckle, you're always going to set the metal detector off. So to alleviate that inconvenience, I decided to purchase a plastic belt-buckled belt. Now, the belt buckle opens like this, and then you put in the belt like this, pull it, and then you shut it like that, and then it locks the belt to size. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put it on. Now, the reason I purchased such a cheap belt, and I wasn't too particular about the heavy dutiness of it, is because where I work, not only do they not allow people to wear metallic objects on their persons that may set off the alarm, but even as security officers, we are not allowed to wear anything like weapons or any kind of utility knives or anything like that on our belt, let alone guns or mace or anything like that. So I wasn't really particularly trying to purchase anything heavy duty. I did not want to buy anything that was durable in any way other than to just hold the pants closed. Hold the pants up, secure the pants, and let's see if I can snap this in. Okay, I had it on backwards. Okay, let's all right, now let's try. And ta-da! My waistline is around 34 inches, and I still have this much left over. I think this will fit someone up to perhaps 36, 37, 38 waist. Mine, I'm actually, like I said, I'm 34 waist and I have this much left over. Okay. The belt is very lightweight. It's not very thick, but it feels sturdy. I think it'll work for the amount of money. It's also touts breathable, so it doesn't make your waistline sweat, if that matters any. But I don't know. I think it feels pretty sturdy. I don't know why people say it felt so cheap, but I think it'll work out for what its intended purpose is. It's just to hold up the pants for now. I'm not going to put any kind of, like I said, equipment on my belt. I might put that water bottle holder on here, but that's about it. But I think this will work, and it's cheap enough where if it does wear out, I could just purchase a couple of more and keep using it. So main purpose is, of course, to have a plastic buckle so I don't keep setting off the walk-through metal detector. All right, so thanks for watching.